gold. I will come out pure. In power as gold. I will come out pure. In provision as gold. The same surely he will multiply 7 times. My children 7 times. My family 7 times. My prosperity 7 times. But he shall multiply. Ushamaya, Kusaraba, Irababa. I know you've been crying, but the Lord will multiply. I know you have been weeping in your marriage, but the Lord will multiply. I know that you cannot be mercy. Where are you? But he shall.